You launch MetaQuest Airlink expecting wireless PC VR, but the headset refuses to connect, keeps disconnecting, or never detects your computer at all. Sometimes the pairing starts normally and then freezes midway, while other times the Airlink option stays grayed out completely. This issue is usually connected to unstable Wi Fi networks, outdated software, PC connection settings, or router interference instead of the headset itself being broken. In many cases, Airlink fails simply because the headset and PC are not communicating over the same network correctly. Before reinstalling everything or giving up on wireless VR, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore Oculus Airlink properly. 1. Restart both the VR headset and your gaming PC completely. 2. Make sure the headset and PC are connected to the same Wi Fi network. 3. Enable Airlink again inside the headset experimental or connection settings. 4. Open the MetaQuest PC app and confirm the headset appears there. 5. Move closer to the router to reduce wireless interference during pairing. 6. Update the headset software and PC app to the latest version available. 7. Retry the Airlink connection after restarting network devices if needed.